This is the Sony DCR-PC101, a compact mini-DV camcorder released by Sony in 2002 with a unique vertical body design. It records video onto mini-DV tapes using a 1-megapixel CCD sensor paired with a Carl Zeiss lens. The camera features a 10-time optical zoom, 120-time digital zoom, and records standard definition DV video at 720 by 480 resolution. Sony also rated the camera at up to 520 lines of horizontal resolution, giving it noticeably sharper footage than other camcorders of the time. The DCR-PC101 also includes Super Night Shot infrared recording, which gives the user the ability to shoot video in near total darkness. On the side, you get a 2.5-inch flip-out touchscreen LCD display, which was a premium feature at the time, along with a color viewfinder for handheld shooting. For connectivity, the PC101 includes Firewire, also known as iLink, for direct digital DV transfer to a computer, along with USB and analog AV outputs. More than 20 years later, the DCR-PC101 is still appreciated for its sharp mini-DV image quality, compact design, and unmistakable early 2000s Sony aesthetic. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.